Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find a clipboard on Android. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up an app that requires you to use a keyboard. For example, messaging app, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to open up SMS right here. So go ahead and open up one of the messages from the apps mentioned. All right, and then open up text, just like so. And then in here, you'll be able to see this clipboard icon. So all you got to do is just tap on it. And after that, all of your copied text, including photos, will be available in here, ready for use. For example, this one, I'm going to tap on it and it will be automatically in your text area. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to find a clipboard on your Android device. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.